What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Block Farm Club, and this is a game I've already talked about on my other channel. So if you want to know more about this game and like an overview slash walkthrough, just check my video out, which I've made a video on already, so that'll be at the top right of the video right now, so check that out and let's get started. So this is Block Farm Club. You can see the price has gone up since I've made my video. I think it was around like $1.70-60 at the time I was making my video and recording and published, and obviously now the price is way higher, but that doesn't mean you cannot get in. Obviously if you wait too long, you might lose the train and the train's gone and you're late and basically you can't get into the train. So here we have Block Farm Club, and here I'm gonna be talking about their game story real quick. So the Call of the Goddess. 3,000 years ago, a last battle raged across the lands of Block Farm. The War of the Goddesses was fought for exactly 21 years. Faithful followers of both sides, they faced each other in battles for possession of the mythical lands of Fahkul, which is, different like lands, origination of Fahkul and all this. This is their story of their game, where today there are exactly 400 lands on each side. Fahkul of Light and Fahkul of Night were named by the few priests who still exist today and were closed for this entire period. So their story is kind of complicated at first, so you're gonna have to read through more, and obviously I cannot cover that in a video where I'm gonna show you how to invest in all of that. So I'm going for the full in investment, which is about $46 as of right now's token price, and obviously that's really low for game that can give you ROI in like less than 1 week to 3 days, and obviously that is really impressive, and that means that you should be taking this in consideration of making a video on it. Now here you can see this is PancakeSwap. Obviously you can get their token contract address right here, which is listed right in front of your eyes. Copy that, go in PancakeSwap, or click this button, and then right here you can see. So you're gonna need around 18.7 BFC for the whole investment. On my type of way, and obviously this could get your money back really quickly if you do the maths, or you can take examples of your first day of using this game. So obviously you're gonna need 20, because from my calculations, if you go to the farm right here and you go to the shop, you're gonna have to have 4 plants. So obviously you're gonna need, from this store right here, you're gonna need 2 Jimmy seeds, 1 Bella seed, 1 crystal seed, and then you're gonna need a Luna Star, a spray, a water, and 4 medium pots. So obviously that's gonna fit your 2 Jimmy seeds, Bella seed, and crystal seed, and you can see their production of gems and per hour, and then you can see there's sometimes like a luck thing of 2% getting a Jimmy seed to be exact. And obviously to get started, you're gonna need gems, and to get gems, you're gonna need their token BFC, which is their Block Farm Club token. And from that, you're gonna have to go to PancakeSwap, and you'd need like 18.7, but I'm gonna round it up to 20, and that means it's about $47 as of right now. Seems like the price just updated to $48 for that. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and so you're gonna obviously accept the gas prices and all that, add it to your MetaMask, and it should pop up in your MetaMask anytime soon once this transaction is done. Boom, just like that. Scroll all the way down, 20 BFC. So once you're done that, you're gonna refresh your pages on here. So it seems like there's a host error on that one, but it seems like we're fine here. And obviously you're gonna do 20, or I'm gonna do actually 19 if I need like 1 hold to myself. Here we're gonna go to the farm, and I'm gonna calculate how much we're gonna need. So this is basically like watering every day your plants and all of that. And so here we're gonna do our math. So 200 plus 200 So 2 of these, so 100 times 2, 200, and then another 280. So 680 gems so far for the plants. And then you're gonna need a Luna Star, so 160. Then you're gonna need a spray, so 20. And then water, 50. And then your 4 medium pots, which is gonna be 400. So 1,310 gems. And here I'm gonna get 1,330 for 19 tokens. So basically you're gonna need 19 tokens if it's rounded up. I'm gonna click accept change, and we're gonna wait for the transaction to complete. Here you can see this is their gas fee and all of that, 20 or 19 BFC, and then we're gonna wait. We clicked accept. We're gonna wait for this transaction to close and finish, and then once that is done, we're gonna have gems in our wallet. And obviously you need gems to buy stuff in that shop. Right now it's going through its verification transaction process, and they're on Binance Smart Chain. So obviously if you're using PancakeSwap, you should know this because PancakeSwap is on Binance Smart Chain. Boom, there you go. My gems are now shown in the top there. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna go on farm, and we're not gonna need PancakeSwap now. Their main website, obviously I'll just keep that on the side. We're gonna wait, and boom, there you go. My gems are in the top right. We're gonna go to the shop, and now we're gonna go to buying the stuff. So basically you don't have to go all in. You could get one singular plant, but obviously that slows down your return on investment or making your money and all that. So medium pot, buy. We're gonna get 4 of these. So this is the first one. Boom. We should have our first one in a few seconds now. And then obviously it seems like they're having issues, but all you have to do is refresh their page and it should work. Just like that. So I got 1 medium pot now, so I'm honestly gonna buy the plants first so I can see if I can get these medium pots. Buy 1 Jimmy seed, and then you're gonna buy your second Jimmy seed because obviously you need 2. The buy went into the queue, so it's gonna take a while. Now please don't click on some of these by accident because they have no confirmation or anything. And obviously they don't have gas fees from what you're seeing now, which is a good thing, but also a bad thing if you click on them by accident. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to go through, and I'll be back once this is done. So I'm back now, and you can see I have the Jimmy seed. So I don't know why this happened, but it was loading infinitely, but I actually had the Jimmy seed. So I was checking around, and it turned out I had the Jimmy seed. So if that happens to you, just open a new tab. Don't close that tab yet. Just check if you have the seed. You can see on the top I have 1 unit of the pot, so I'm gonna buy 3 more. So I'm gonna click this, and purchase was successful. This is normally what it's supposed to be, so it just do that really quickly, refresh the page for you, and then if it says it has some connection issues, just refresh the page a few times. It seems like their servers might be a bit iffy, and obviously it's not a good sign, but you're still making the money. It might be risky, but obviously you're not investing so much money unless this is a lot of money in your country. You could take it as a concern, but obviously if you're like Canadian or American, this shouldn't be your biggest concern of being $50 of an investment, unless it might be for yourself. But obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before these things. And here we are on our last pot that we're gonna be buying, and then I'm gonna buy another Jimmy seed, and then a Bella seed, and a Crystal seed, and a Luna Star. So there you go. I have 4 units. Buy another Jimmy seed. There you go. This time it was proper, quick and fast. Just like that. I should have 2 Jimmy seeds and 4 of these units. Now I'm gonna buy a Bella seed. So obviously here you can see there's a little problem again. In this case, I might open a new tab, duplicate it, and look around and see what's going on. If it's in my seeds, you just click my seeds, and you can see here it didn't take my money or my gems or anything, but even right here it doesn't say it's taken my gems. but I've got my 2 Jimmy seeds. I'm gonna refresh the page just to see if they take my gems. If it doesn't, just wait some time. But in this case, I'm gonna refresh the page. They didn't take my money. They didn't give me a free, freebie, because obviously if they did, this would be some OP type glitch. Now I'm gonna get the Bella seed, try again, and it should work this time. If it does this really long, oh, there we go. It didn't take too long. The transaction was pretty quick. Now I have 530 gems. We're gonna have to buy the crystal seed and the Luna star, and then the water and the spray. So now if I refresh my page here, there you go, Bella seed, lastly crystal seed. So obviously you don't have to get the crystal seed, Bella seed, Gemmy seed. This is like the most efficient way and the cheapest way you could get, like, with all the items and packing your land. But if you don't want to do this way, you can go with like the most return on investment type way, where you get all crystal seeds, and obviously with all crystal seeds you'll get the most money with that many gems, or you could get with all Bella seeds. Obviously there's not that much of a difference. This is 144 hours with 850 gems, and this is 178 hours with 1250 gems. Now we're gonna refresh my page here and see if there you go, I have the crystal seed. I have 250 gems. I'm gonna buy the Luna star. Wait for this to go through the transaction. Boom, transaction is gone through. So I'm pretty sure this type of stuff should be in my depot. If it's not in your depot, you can check other places, or it should be on the top right here. There it is. It's in seeds again, Luna star. And now we're gonna go with 1 water can. Get the water can so you can water your plants, so you have 100 uses basically. And then lastly, you're gonna get the spray. Now once you have all these items, you should be set to go for the whole month, since the medium pots are for 30 days. And then you're gonna have to buy new pots, and obviously once you're done that, you're gonna go to your lands. So now you're fully done with all that stuff. You should be good to go. Once you bought everything you're gonna have 20 gems left over, and then you're gonna choose your worker slots. So you have your free slots. Obviously you're gonna need to add your seeds and all of that, so I'll do that real quick, just like that. And then you gotta click NFT seed, medium pot, basic seed, choose. I'm gonna go with Jimmy seed and medium pot. Remember that you need 2 waters to plant, so you're gonna click plant, and it's gonna take 2 waters from you, or basically 2 units of your watering can. And then that should be here, just like that. Then you're gonna do that for your other seeds. So right here, Jimmy seed, medium pot. Wait for this transaction to go through, and basically you're gonna do this for all of the other things. And just like that, you should be done. So now it tells you when you can harvest, and that it's now working in your land. And so if you go to my lands, you're gonna have to water it sometimes. I'm pretty sure it should be 2 times a day for now, but you can view your land just like that by clicking view land, and you see your land here. But honestly, the best way to look at your land is to just click on my lands and click on the actual land by clicking the image, and you should see your plants now working for you. So lastly, now what you're gonna do is, obviously you want to calculate how much they would be making. So first thing you would do is for the you would get 500 gems right now from here. So from these 2 guys, 500 gems per 72 hours, or basically 3 days. And then this one right here should be 6 days, so 144 hours is 6 days. And then 178 hours should be 7.4-ish days. So basically, if you're gonna take 1,250 divided by 7.4, that's how much you're getting per day. So 168, and then for this one. So 168 and 141, so 168. Boom. So you're getting 309 309 gems per day from these two plants together. And then if you add 84 basically, so 84 times 2, which is 168, so 168 gems per day, you're getting 477 gems per day in per day. So obviously if you go to exchange from this loadout, obviously I'm talking about, you might have some different plants if you did it differently, but here you can see 100 gems equals 1 BFC. So let's say in 1 week, so basically 7 days, you get 3,339 gems. Now obviously this is not accurate, this could be higher, this could be lower, but this is basically what its average should be, or how you, like, if you water it normally for every day 2 times a day, you should be getting about close to this amount. And obviously if you divide it by 100, you're getting 33 tokens per week. And if you want to see how much 33 tokens is, that is $76 per week, which is more than what you invested in the start. So obviously this is worth your time. Now if you want to see how much you're getting per month, obviously times by 4, this is how many tokens you're getting per month, and obviously this is how much you're making in US dollars per month. 307 tokens, or $307 I mean. And obviously that is really impressive. So leave a thumbs up. If you have any personal questions about this game or anything, you can check my Discord, or you can also privately DM me. And yeah, tell me, what do you think about this platform and game. Obviously it is still in work in progress. You can tell their site is kind of iffy, it shuts down sometimes on you, and all you have to do is refresh the page and you should be good to go. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment what you want for the next video and what game recommend, and I'll see you guys later.